Hello friends, here we are going into the holidays and another new year. Is that crazy? It's a little crazy to me. I feel like seriously we were just ringing in the new year and I'm just like, well, where did that go, right? But every time when I approach the holidays, I feel very grateful to have you all in my community. So I wanted to send out a note of thanks for trusting my recipes over the decades now, for trusting my recommendations that I offer you, and also for trusting my new work, Fascia Flow, which many of you are moving into and feeling all the benefits of that. So thank you for being there and being open-minded and continuing on the journey with me. For those of you who are perhaps having a little bit of a hard time through the holidays, I know it's not the easiest to always be in the spirit during Christmas or to feel like very joyful depending on what's going on in your life. I send some love and support your way if you're having a little bit of a hard time. I know it's not always easy and there's a lot of pressure sometimes to just be like right in it. So love and support out your way. Finally, as we go into the new year, I have exciting things planned for the recipe site, new recipes coming out, some goodies to share with you. And with Fascia Flow, so much to share there. We're having a program in the new year called New Year, New Fascia, so be on the lookout for that. And just lots of ideas in store bubbling away, so I'll be excited to share those with you in the new year. With that, thank you again. Have a beautiful holiday season, and we will connect in 2025.